How's it, guys? Welcome back. Today is a simple video, quick video. We want to remove that little guy there. Yep. So I thought about doing the steering wheel up and look at the condition of the steering. So I'm about to strip it and give it off for reconditioning. Let's do a small tutorial on how to get this done properly, neatly, and most importantly, safely. Okay, let's do this. So, step one would be to remove the negative terminal of the battery. Let's do that because we don't want this little guy here. Wait, this little guy here popping up in our faces. That will be deadly. So let's just remove it, remove the terminal, and let's be safe. Let's do that. She's a beauty. She is. So as I was saying, we have to remove the negative polarity on the battery. This will be the negative polarity here. This looks like a number 10 nut. Okay, so this is done. The next step would be to move towards the steering wheel. And this will be a nut or Allen key, not sure, to remove. That's the one we got to remove there. Don't know if you can see that light. Yeah, that's the one there. So we're gonna get on and remove that now. Once that is loose, there's always a second. So we gotta work our way back to this one here. Yeah, we're gonna remove that now. Okay, so once you remove the screw that's behind there and the screw that's behind there, you'll then be able to take out the steering wheel airbag units. And then you're gonna disconnect this lug here. You have to disconnect that to remove the steering airbag. Okay, cool. Right. So just looking at the plug is good. And this shows you that the steering has never come off before. This looks like a mark from factory. Interesting. So let's get a 19 socket to get this out. Yeah. These little two guys here are gonna give you a tough time. So I thought they come out completely, but they actually don't. They stay into the steering, as you can see with this. They stay there and they actually don't move at all. So yeah, okay. Hope you got that. Powerful stuff. Okay guys, we've got the steering back. As you can see, now we're gonna install it. Yeah, let's do that. Everything goes back in reverse order. Battery terminal still disconnected. And now we're just gonna reinstall it. Okay, let's do this. The one thing we need to do now is start up. Let's see. Hoping that the airbag doesn't explode. Seat back. Okay. Uh-oh. Go up there.